Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix something went wrong on Instagram. So first of all, what you would need to do is make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. So scroll down to your control panel, and if your Wi-Fi is not working, turn on your airplane mode for some time, then turn it off again, and then make sure if your Wi-Fi is working again. You can also turn on your cellular data if you wish to. Now, another thing that you can do is go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram. Now let's tap on the app on top. Now over here, if you see the option of update like you see in my case, make sure that your Instagram application is updated to its latest version. If the app is not updated, you may face certain problems regarding the application. So let's update the app. Now, another important thing that you have to note down is that sometimes the servers of certain social media applications are down. So if you wish to check that, you can go to certain third-party websites in order to know whether the server is working or the server of that specific application is down at the moment. You can also enable two-factor authentication safety on your Instagram account in case there are certain suspicious activities going on your account. So follow these easy steps and you will be able to resolve your issue. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.